Tomorrow morning, the State Department of Health expects some counties to be able to be cleared to meet those safety benchmarks and be able to go back on campus, Jared.
Yeah, the state says more counties will get the go-ahead to start hybrid models, a mix of in-person instruction and online learning. Carissa Planalp explains why some critics still aren't convinced it's safe.
For months, some education leaders have been urging districts to keep their schools closed until the benchmarks are met. But now that Maricopa and Pima counties are about to get the green light, some of them are questioning whether those benchmarks are really good enough.
I think it's still going to be a challenge to effectively social distance, to effectively ensure that our students are wearing their masks.
Devin Del Palacio is a governing board member for Tolleson Union High School District. The district was granted a waiver so they could keep schools closed through the first semester.
We were a hot spot. We were a hot spot for community spread.
State benchmarks for opening schools apply to counties, not communities. That's a problem, says Palacio, especially for areas still experiencing a lot of cases.
So why, again, take the risk?
At this time, all Arizona counties meet the benchmark for fewer hospital visits due to COVID-like illness. But many are not passing another benchmark for fewer tests coming back positive. The state health department says by tomorrow morning, we could see a few more green checks, allowing some districts to start hybrid learning.
As it stands, we are still 100% virtual learning only.
As schools begin to open up, Palacio says districts need to have a plan to stay open. Last month, 2 elementary schools in Tucson had to temporarily close after students and employees tested positive for COVID-19. At J.O. Combs Unified in Santan Valley, officials had to cancel classes after too many teachers called out.
I think the going back and forth of closing and opening campuses is more disruptive than just having our students be 100% online until it is absolutely safe.
Carissa Planalp for Arizona's Family.